All right, so probably not going to be doing a ton of video today. Probably going to be all time lapse. Got the shower ripped out a few days back. There is a ton of stuff still to take off over here, up all there. All that is glued on. We're going to get the toilet out, get everything behind that. And then I'm going to take out this drywall to see if I can find the leak up there. So pretty much everything today is just going to be a time lapse. All right, so I'm going to finish ripping out the floor here. I couldn't find a water leak coming in from the roof, which I guess was good. I think it was around the vanity. I'm going to go back and look underneath again just to make sure there's nothing underneath there. I'm going to rip out all the drain lines and the supply lines either way, so everything's going to be new underneath here, so there's going to be no way that anything is going to leak after this point. So we'll continue next week. Thanks so much for watching.